In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete templates in Monday.com. Now, this might seem like a simple task at first glance, but having a clean and organized template management system can make your workflow much more efficient. So let's dive into the process step by step. First, you'll need to open your Monday.com account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner where you'll find the product switcher. If you're using Monday.com regularly, you're probably familiar with this tool. Clicking on the product switcher will give you access to different sections of the platform, but for today's purpose, we're focusing on the Template Center. Now, within the Template Center, look for the Created By section. This is your personal hub of templates that you or your team have previously created. Accessing this section will allow you to manage these templates, making it easier to pinpoint exactly which ones you need to modify or delete entirely. Once you're in the Created By section, scroll through the list and select the template that you wish to delete. It's always a good idea to double-check that you've chosen the correct template, as deleting a template is a permanent action. After selecting the desired template, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is commonly known as the More Options menu. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for managing your template. Hover over the option labeled Delete. When you do, you will see another option that reads Permanently Delete. Selecting this option means exactly what it says, so take a moment to ensure that you are ready to remove this template forever. Once you're certain that you'd like to proceed, click on the Delete Template button. This action will prompt a final confirmation, allowing you to reconsider if needed. Deleting a template is irreversible, so it's crucial to be absolutely sure before proceeding. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage and delete any unwanted templates within your Monday.com environment. Keeping your workspace clutter-free not only enhances productivity, but also helps you and your team stay focused on what's most important. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any more questions about Monday.com or any other features of the platform, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful guides. Thank you for watching, and have a productive day.